Yeah, I'm just waking up, coming outside to check on these. And they are glowing. They are just glowing in the sun. Ooh, gorgeous. Check that out. See, Dolce. What is it, Dolce? Hey, Dolce. Oops. Oh, gorgeous. They are just glowing. Okay, Dolce. Okay, Dolce. Just a minute. Good Lord, she wants me to play with her. Look at that. Where's Ozzy? Oh, gorgeous. Okay, Dolce. Oh, I think she sees her stick on the other side of the fence. Let's go see. Come on, let's go see. What was it? Oh, oh, something going on out there. Ozzy. Gonna be another hot day today. I'm gonna try and work out in the yard today. Where's the Dolce? Oh, gorgeous. Here's Ozzy. Get it, Ozzy. Go get it. Go see. Go see. Come on, let's go this way. Let's go see. Come on. I heard a noise back there. He's gonna go check it out for me. Come on, let's go see. I'm out here in flip-flops, which is not a good idea. I usually have to have my boots on because there's so many rocks out here. What is it, Papa? What is it, Alice? Yeah, good girl. He's like, I don't know, but I'm telling it. This is mine over here. He's marking it. Okay. Good boy, Papa. Well, anyway, I just wanted to show you all those sunflowers. And I'll probably post another video later. Oh shoot, I gotta go get my coffee. It's on the stove. All right, well, I'll talk to y'all later. Say bye, guys. Bye, Papa. Bye, y'all.